If you're unsure how to create or switch to an Instagram business account, don't worry, I got you covered. I'll show you what to do from start to finish and how to set it up properly so that you can reach a large, interested audience. Let's do this. Hi, my name is Natalia and welcome back to my channel where I share super actionable ideas on content creation for entrepreneurs and creatives. In today's video, I'm showing you how to create or switch to a business account on Instagram correctly so that you don't miss out on potential followers or conversions. But before I do that, let's quickly go through why you actually need a business account in the first place. So first of all, other than your website, your social media profiles are like a business card and they create a first impression, especially since people are more likely to find your business on social media nowadays. Secondly, you can showcase what you sell and get clients this way with special functionalities that are available only on business account. And apart from that, business account not only lets your clients discover and follow you, but also contact you much more easily, which I'll be covering later in the video. So without further ado, let me show you the step-by-step process. The first thing you want to do is install the Instagram app on your phone and of course, open it. It will prompt you to create an account. If you already have the app installed and have another account, you need to tap on your profile in the bottom right corner and click Add Account. So then you choose your username and don't worry, you can change it later, but if you can have it to what you want straight away, more power to you. Let's say ours is going to be Happy Business Owner. If it's available, a green tick will appear and you can click Next. Then if you already have an account, Instagram will ask you how you want to log in. Create a new login and enter your phone number or email address. I'll go with my email address and a code is now being sent to me. Enter the code, set up your password, and you have a personal account. But we're not stopping here. You now need to switch to a business account and set it up properly to maximize your profile's potential. Click Complete Sign Up and it will log you in. You can enter your date of birth, find Facebook friends to follow, and add profile photo, but we'll skip it for now. All right, now you're in. Click in the top right corner and choose Settings at the bottom. Go to Account, scroll down and click Switch to Professional Account. So then you have the chance to choose either a business or creator account. And basically you may want to have access to insights, but not necessarily look like a business account, in which case you'd of course choose the creator account. But to be fair, I don't really recommend it. I can make a whole video about the differences between the two to show you which is the best option for you, so let me know in the comments below. Okay, so we choose business and Instagram shows you the various benefits of having this account. So you can get insights, which is basically the analytics part, create promotions to reach potential clients, and as I mentioned at the very beginning of this video, have more options in terms of contact details, so more buttons for people to get in touch with you. Next, we're going to select a category for your business, so type in some keywords and see if you can match any. If you can't find it, try synonyms or similar words describing what you sell, and you should be able to find a good category. I'll go with interior designer, so I have interior design studio, which works best for me. All right, then you add your contact details, your phone and address, if you have one, of course. And obviously, if you're an online business, you might not want to draw the audience's attention to the address, so you can just skip it altogether. Then you can connect to your Facebook page, and if you're logged into your account on your phone, Instagram will automatically pull all the pages connected with your Facebook account for you, and you can choose the correct one. You can also create a new Facebook page straight from Instagram, but I don't recommend it. It creates a lot of unnecessary mess, so you're better off just creating one yourself from Facebook directly. So now we're going to complete the profile, and this is what we call an Instagram bio. Now make sure to check out this video on how to optimize your bio, where I go in depth on what you should include and the best practices to attract clients and make a great first impression. All right, so once you add your business name, website, type out your bio and your photo, your profile is all set. Instagram will walk you through different parts, but what you want to do next is set up your contact options. So this is one of the benefits of the business account, which I mentioned at the very beginning. On the profile, you can have special buttons that showcase your contact details, and it prompts the potential clients to actually get in touch with you. If you have a business that people can actually book something, you can add an action button from all these various booking platforms. So if you're a hairdresser, for example, or a restaurant, it can connect through Booksy or Yelp, etc. We'll leave it for now, and if you click on the profile display buttons, you see that from here you can choose to hide the category label, so the interior design studio in my case, or contact info, which to be fair, you probably don't want to do, of course. All right, so this is the account now, and you can see that it can now be found through the search bar when I logged onto another account. And what I highly recommend you do is to set up your security settings and, most importantly, a two-factor authentication. Let me know if you don't know how to do it, and I can create a quick tutorial for you as well. As I mentioned before, I have another video for you on how to write the perfect Instagram bio, because we want to, of course, optimize it properly. This way people can find you, know exactly what you've got to offer, so make sure to check it out next. If you have any issues with setting up your business account or any other questions, leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel for super actionable content creation tips. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.